Good afternoon. Today we are going to present about logistic management system, and this is my group members. Present about the problem statement. A lack of an integrated system limits real-time decision making and effective stakeholder communication, increasing the risk of operational errors. Second is inadequate inventory system lead to stock mismatches, delay in order processing, and increase the chances of error. Third is outdated or manual planning method cause poor route optimization, resulting in delivery delays and higher fuel and time costs. Fourth is without real-time tracking, customer and logistic provider cannot monitor deliveries accurately, leading to uncertainty and reduced trust. And second, our project scope is implement methods that allow user to track parcel in real time and receive a live updates, improving transferring and customer satisfaction. Second scope is optimize delivery operation by automatically assigning tasks and calculating efficient routes, reducing delivery time and operational cost. Third scope is develop access control features tolerate to delivery workers, warehouse staff, and administration to ensure secure and efficient platform usage.
Now I'm going to be presenting on functional requirements and non-functional requirements. As for the functional requirements, there's 10 requirements. The first one is user registration and login. As for this, the user can actually secure login with according to their role-based access for admin, warehouse staff, or driver, and on. Next is parcel booking and management. This allows user to create, manage, and update the parcel delivery booking. Next up is pickup and delivery scheduling. This enables user to schedule parcel pickup and receive delivery notification. Next is real-time parcel tracking. In this, we can actually display the current parcel status like pending, in transit, delivered, and also the live location updates as well. Automated task assignment. This actually helps to assign the delivery task to the certain riders based on their availability and optimized routes. Next is delivery status update and proof of delivery. This actually helps the rider to update delivery status and upload proof like signature document or even picture of the parcel that have been delivered. Next is inventory management. In this, the warehouse staff manage the parcel inventory and track item movements as well. Next is search and delivery filter. This can help the users to search the parcel by date, tracking ID, or even status as well. Next is reporting and dashboard. This is actually an access for the admin to see the performance metric and generate daily, weekly, or even monthly reports as well. Next up, lastly, is the payment support. In this, it actually support cash on delivery or online payment options and even bank transfers and so on. Next, we're going to be looking into the non-functional requirements. In non-functional requirement, the first one is usability. So user-friendly interface across desktop and also the mobile platforms as well. Next is availability, the system uptime of at least 99.9% to ensure the service continuity. Next is performance requirement. This actually supports up to 200 concurrent users with minimal delay as well. Next is security. This helps the data encryption during transmission and at the rest to protect users and parcel information. Lastly is scalability. So in scalability, capable of expanding to support new user delivery zone and even future business is the requirement. Thank you from me.
Okay, so I am going to explain the use case. So for the first use case, which is the actor, is customer. Customer be able to create or cancel delivery request. Second, the customer be able to track real-time delivery status. And then customer be able to scan QR code for verification. And the last one is receive notification for updates. As example, the parcel is out for delivery. And for the next use case, which is the actor, is system administrator. So admins oversee system integrity by managing user account and roles. Second one is controlling access rights for security. And the last one is reassigning tasks dynamically. And for the third use case, which is logistic staff use case. Logistic staff handle execution by assigning deliveries to drivers. And the next one is managing inventory levels. For the last one is updating delivery information. As example, the address or the route. And for the next one is use case for the driver. Driver focus on the delivery, which the driver be able to view assigned tasks and do the delivery to the destination. Also, the driver will be able to update the status. And driver be able to cancel requests if needed. And for the last one is receive real-time notification, which keep the deliveries on schedule. And for the last use case is business manager use case. Manager be able to generate report. As example is delivery performance report. The business manager can display the report and generate the report in a selected form, as example as a PDF and Excel. So that's all for the use case.
High level design of our project is user interface layer, front end. web-based and mobile responsive interface, role-based dashboard, admin, customer, logistics staff, and driver. Real-time updates via Firebase or WebSocket. Technologies is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript React. Optional logic layer is back-end, handle core business logic, manage authentication, notification, and route optimization. Third is built with a framework like Node, Django, and Laravel. Provide RESTful APIs for front-end database communication. Third is data storage layer, that is database. Store user data, delivery logs, parcel status, inventory reports, and user relation DBMS like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Firebase real-time database. File storage for proof for delivery, include backup, encryption, and access control machine. System architecture. The presentation layer provided the user interface for booking, tracking, and dashboard. It supports roles like admin, driver, customer, and logistics staff with real-time updates using a web technology such as HTML, CSS, and Firebase. The application layer manages a core function including task assignment, role-based access, route optimization, and notification. It connects the interface and database through a secure API. The data layer store delivery records, inventory, user profile, and report. It supports a cloud storage for proof of delivery files and ensure a secure, scalable data management with regular backups.
I will explain for the class diagram. I will start with the user class. In the user class, it is used to process the login of the user, which have a few different roles. This role is also inherited by a few different classes, with for each of the role. And these classes are customer, delivery personnel, admin, and the logistics staff. Okay. Next, for the customer will create a new delivery request which will be assigned to the delivery personnel. The delivery personnel will process the newly created delivery request by the user. This will then generate a new delivery task in the delivery task class. In the delivery task class, it is assigned to the logistics staff, which will process the task for the next step. The logistics staff also manages the inventory item class. For when any of the action done in the delivery request class, it will trigger a notification which then will be received by the users class. This will then received by different users that have inherited the user class. Okay, lastly, for the admin will generate a report that analyzes on the delivery request class, for which any processes or data in the delivery request will be saved in the report class by the admin. Okay, that's all for the class diagram. Okay, next I will explain about the component diagram. After the user have logged in and booked the parcel, it will pass to the user interface that have three different modules. In the delivery management module, it can assign, update, and upload by the user, customer, and delivery personnel. And then in the parcel management module, it can book and track the parcel. And in the inventory management module, you can generate and export reports of the booking. And lastly, for all of the modules, they all share dependency to the database layer. That's all. Thank you. I will explain for the class diagram. I will start with the user class. In the user class, it is used to process the login of the user, which have a few different roles. This role is also inherited by a few different classes, with for each of the role. And these classes are customer, delivery personnel, admin, and the logistics staff. Okay. Next, for the customer will create a new delivery request which will be assigned to the delivery personnel. The delivery personnel will process the newly created delivery request by the user. This will then generate a new delivery task in the delivery task class. In the delivery task class, it is assigned to the logistics staff, which will process the task for the next step. The logistics staff also manages the inventory item class. For when any of the action done in the delivery request class, it will trigger a notification which then will be received by the users class. This will then received by different users that have inherited the user class. Okay, lastly, for the admin will generate a report that analyzes on the delivery request class, for which any processes or data in the delivery request will be saved in the report class by the admin. Okay, that's all for the class diagram.